Analytics to me is like a puzzle. Sometimes the tricky part is figuring out what question to solve. At its most basic level, when it comes to advanced analytics and predictive modeling, we're using historical data to make predictions about the future. Back in the mid to late 90s, this term data mining became popularized. Today, machine learning is capturing a lot of buzz and attention. But fundamentally, there really aren't any differences between machine learning, data mining, and advanced analytics. The whole idea of all of those terms is analyze data to make better decisions. What has changed is data is coming in much faster today, and we're able to process that data in a much faster way to be able to make decisions that appear to be made in real time or in near real time. The human mind can only process so much information at once. You can only make so many slices of the data, whereas with a statistical model, we can incorporate hundreds, if not thousands, of different types of variables simultaneously, so we can bring much more information into the decision-making process to make better predictions. That information will always outperform what a human mind can produce in the terms of a judgmental rule. So segmentation is another example of a machine learning or advanced analytics technique. If you have a database of 1 million consumers and you want to be more efficient at marketing to them, you want to understand, all right, how should I speak to them? What method should I use to communicate to them? So we can take this large database and break it into smaller components so that the people within segments are more similar, and across segments they're dissimilar. So one of the reasons that marketers will choose to segment their population is to understand not only the potential value from each segment, but also the best way to contact each person. So for example, let's say you have 3 segments, segment A, B, and C. Segment A is all males, really into sports. Segment B, maybe all females, also into sports. Segment C, maybe families with small kids. So in order to optimize response and how people will react to a marketing campaign, we may choose to convey messages and imagery that speak to the 3 groups' interest. And the idea is to tailor communications to each segment to improve our chances of influencing them to take whatever action we're trying to entice them to take. If we can identify consumers that are least likely to respond to an offer, we can avoid communicating and wasting time and effort and money communicating to those people. Bottom line is, predictive modeling can make existing marketing efforts more efficient. I'm Dean Vogt. I work for Deloitte Digital. I help marketers use analytics to make more powerful decisions.